Good Sunday morning. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Trevor Gibbs. We have active weather coming up over the next 2 days with a big cool down after a strong cold front tomorrow. So warm for your Sunday, pretty humid as well. We have storms on the way both later today and tomorrow. Some of them could be strong as we cool off quite dramatically by Tuesday morning. Here's the severe weather outlook for today, Sunday. The highest threat, of course, will be over the Mississippi River Valley, but you do see this shaded yellow here across North Florida and South Georgia. That will come with some thunderstorms that develop later this afternoon and this evening, especially across the eastern half of our area. And that whole threat shifts eastward tomorrow as that cold front moves eastward. And the highest threat for severe weather tomorrow for Monday is well north of our area, where you see the red coloring there in northern South Carolina through the mid-Atlantic. But there is still a sizable threat for some thunderstorms tomorrow across our local area, and some of them could have some strong winds and can't even rule out an isolated tornado for your Monday. So that's why Monday is a first alert weather day, but we still will have the potential for some stronger storms later today as well. Here's the futurecast, 11 o'clock on your Sunday. A lot of dry hours today, especially through the first part of the day. Temperatures will be pretty warm. It's pretty humid as well, 70s to near 80 degrees by 11 o'clock. And then into the 3 o'clock hour, here we are along the coastline there, along the sea breeze. That's where showers will begin to develop, as you'll notice. Temperatures inland well into the 80s, so very warm and breezy, and that will help fuel additional thunderstorms through sunset tonight. So here's 6 o'clock tonight, especially again along and east of 95 and perhaps as far west as Highway 301 in North Florida and into South Georgia, seeing some of that thunderstorm activity before it spreads and weakens with time near and after sunset tonight. So pretty stormy to finish your Sunday. We will still be ahead of the cold front tomorrow morning, so we'll still have the potential to see some showers early on your Monday. The commute Monday morning, though, looks okay for much of the area, but there will be some hit or miss showers and perhaps an isolated storm early Monday morning. It's really late Monday morning into early Monday afternoon that will be tracking that risk for any stronger or perhaps even severe thunderstorms moving through the area very quickly here. Might not look super intense, but where you see these individual cells or individual thunderstorms, each of those will have the potential to be rotating, producing some gusty winds, lightning, heavy rain, of course, and that threat for a brief isolated tornado not out of the question. Then the focus goes from the storms to the cold. So once that front passes during the day tomorrow, here's Monday night into Tuesday morning, we've got temperatures in the 30s with some gusty winds. So you want to grab the jackets to stay warm Tuesday morning. So today and tomorrow, most of you will see brief periods of heavy rainfall and some thunder and lightning as well. So just stay weather aware. Some of you will see an isolated stronger storm with 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts in the strongest of storms and some frequent lightning. And a few of you will have the potential of seeing some even stronger winds, which could be briefly damaging winds, and perhaps that isolated tornado mainly for Monday. Rainfall totals looking like this. It's very beneficial, of course. We were talking about the drought for the last couple of months. This won't eliminate the drought, but this will certainly help, anywhere from a ½ inch of rain to an 1.5 inches of rain. Really just depends on where exactly the heaviest of thunderstorms set up. But all across the area, some needed rainfall today for your Sunday, tomorrow for Monday, dry the remainder of the week here, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And as we track those cold temperatures in your 7-day forecast, with your weekend always in view, you'll see it doesn't last too long, thankfully. So we're back in the 60s and 70s by Thursday and Friday, but there certainly is the potential for a light freeze in southeast Georgia Tuesday morning and an inland frost on Wednesday morning. And then we're back into the 80s by Saturday of next weekend.